Welcome back to Old Charles. Today we diving into the Australian 20-cent coin of 1976 is a fascinating piece of Australian currency that continues to attract the attention of coin collectors around the world. While millions of these coins were produced for circulation, some examples can still be worth more than their face value depending on their condition, rarity and special characteristics. The Australian 20-cent coin was first introduced in 1966 when Australia changed from the old pound system to the decimal currency system. The coin features the famous platypus on the reverse side. The platypus is one of Australia's most unique animals and has become a symbol recognized by collectors everywhere. On the obverse side, the coin displays the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, who was the monarch of Australia at the time. The 1976 Australian 20-cent coin was struck by the Royal Australian Mint. Millions of coins were produced that year, making it a common date for collectors. Because of the large mintage, most circulated examples are only worth their face value of 20 cents. However, collectors are always searching for coins that stand out from ordinary circulation pieces. The value of a 1976 Australian 20-cent coin depends greatly on its condition. Coins that have spent many years in circulation often show scratches, wear and loss of detail. These coins usually have little premium value. On the other hand, coins that remain in uncirculated condition with strong details and original mint luster can command higher prices among collectors. A standard circulated 1976 Australian 20-cent coin is generally worth around 20 cents to $1. Better preserved examples may sell for several dollars. Uncirculated coins can reach values between $5 and $20 depending on quality and market demand. Exceptional specimens graded by professional coin grading services may achieve even higher prices. Collectors also look for errors and unusual varieties. Minting errors can occur. Production process and sometimes create coins that are different from normal examples. These errors may include off-center strikes, double strikes or other unusual features. Error coins are often much scarcer than regular coins and can be worth significantly more. Another factor influencing value is collector demand. Australian decimal coins have become increasingly popular over the years and many collectors aim to complete full-date sets. This ongoing demand helps maintain interest in coins such as the 1976 Australian 20-cent piece. The coin itself is made from cupro nickel and has a distinctive round shape. It weighs approximately 11.3 grams and has a diameter of 28.5 millimeters. These specifications have remained familiar to Australians for decades and contribute to the coin's recognizable appearance. If you own a 1976 Australian 20-cent coin, it is important to inspect it carefully. Look for strong details on the platypus design and check for any unusual characteristics. Coins that have been stored properly without heavy wear generally attract more interest from buyers and collectors. Many people discover old Australian coins in jars, drawers and family collections. While not every coin is rare, some pieces can hold surprising value. The excitement of finding a well-preserved coin or a rare mint error is one reason coin collecting remains a popular hobby worldwide. The 1976 Australian 20-cent coin represents an important part of Australia's decimal currency history. Even though most examples are common, they continue to be collected and appreciated by numismatists. Whether you are a beginner collector or an experienced enthusiast, this coin offers an interesting glimpse into Australia's monetary heritage. Before selling any coin, it is always wise to compare recent market prices and consider professional grading for high-quality examples. A simple 20-cent coin could be worth much more than expected if it possesses exceptional condition. The history of the Australian 20-cent coin began in 1966 when Australia officially changed from the pound sterling system to decimal currency. This major change modernized the country's monetary system and introduced new coins, including the 1 cent, 2 cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, 20 cent and 50 cent denominations. The Australian 20-cent coin was introduced on February 14, 1966, which became known as Decimal Day. The coin was designed to be a practical part of everyday transactions and quickly became one of the most commonly used coins in Australia. The reverse side of the coin features a platypus designed by Australian artist Stuart Devlin. The platypus was chosen because it is one of Australia's most unique native animals and represents the country's distinctive wildlife. The design has remained largely unchanged since the coin was first issued, making it one of the most recognizable Australian coin designs. The obverse side of the 1976 coin features a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. During her reign, several different portraits appeared on Australian coins as her image was updated over the years. The portrait used on the 1976 20-cent coin was created by Arnold Machin and shows the Queen wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. The 1976 Australian 20-cent coin was produced by the Royal Australian Mint located in Canberra. The mint was established in 1965 specifically to manufacture Australia's new decimal coinage. By 1976 the mint had already produced hundreds of millions of coins for circulation across the country. During the 1970s Australia experienced economic growth and increasing use of decimal currency. The 20-cent coin became an essential part of everyday commerce and was widely used for shopping, transport and vending machines. Millions of coins entered circulation each year to meet public demand.